guy before, I think. No, I didn't. It wasn't him. Oh yeah, maybe it was. Come on, Ty! Let's see if you can redeem yourself, my brother. Ty! 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 Come on now! Ride the wave, brother! Ride the wave! Ride the wave! There you go! That's it! Come on, Ty, give her, man! I think that's right. Come on! You can't... Hey, you can't cough in the same place twice, man. Come on. There you go. Give her some more. Give her a little extra, bud. That's... Come on. Keep going, buddy. Jiggle that steering wheel a bit. There you go. There you go. Ty Lawrence! Give her, buddy. Go on, Ty. Give it all you got, pal. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He found some ground right there in the middle. Come on, bud. Come on now. That's close. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done now. Well, good job. Give him a big round of applause now, folks. He can hear you. Ty Lawrence. Good job, buddy. I think we might have yet another new leader. Phil Johnson, we got another new leader.